Okay, done. So once again, a very good evening to everyone. The 10 standards are having classes at 8 p.m. right? Yes, 10th standard you are having your class. Okay, fine. Okay. So a very good evening to everyone. Today is also our English grammar lecture. I know that you may have frustrated for this, but I can't do it because आपले जे adjectiveचे 3 types होते, that was the quality and quantity we have done, but the last one is remaining, that was number. Okay, adjective of number, that we are going to done today, and hence our English grammar basic will be done. Okay, and after that we'll be dealing with the other subject, or if there will be English grammar, it will be advanced for 8 to 10 standard students. Okay, so let's start. My screen is visible to everyone. Yes, and I'm clearly audible to you. Okay, so let me first tell you what is the adjective of number. See, an adjective of number is an adjective that tells exactly how many or how much of something there is. See, there is a number related adjective that we have learned, that is adjective of quantity, right? त्यामध्ये पण आपल्याला नंबर कळत होता. But do we get to know the exact number in the adjective of quantity? Tell me. No. No. Yes. See, so adjective of number is an adjective that tells us how many or how much of something there is. एखादी गोष्ट किती, एखाद्या गोष्टी किती आहेत किंवा एखादी गोष्ट किती आहे, हे जेव्हा आपल्याला समजतं एखाद्या adjective वरून, त्या adjective ला आपण that adjective we call it as adjective of number. Okay, see, it differs from an adjective of quantity that references a quantity of something that cannot be counted. That is some milk or lemonade, or some milk or lemonade. हे जे adjective आहे, adjective of number, it is different from the adjective of quantity. adjective of quantity पेक्षा ते वेगळं आहे, आणि ते कोणत्या सेन्स मध्ये वेगळं आहे, how it is different, that we are going to learn in detail also. Okay, see, so in a simple language, adjective showing the number of noun or a pronoun is called as adjective of number. adjective of number कशाला म्हणायचं, जे adjective तुम्हाला तुमच्या नाउन, तुमच्या नावाबद्दल किंवा तुमच्या प्रोनाउनच्या नंबर बद्दल सांगत आहे, त्याला adjective of number असं म्हणायचं आहे. ओके, इज इट क्लियर? Some more explanation. Adjective of number are the adjectives used to denote number of nouns or pronouns, including their position or place in a certain order in a sentence. Okay, so first tell me, you are familiar with the cardinal and ordinal number, right? Yes. 1, first, 2, second, 3, third, 4, fourth, 5, fifth, sixth. Yes, yes, they are called as ordinal and cardinal numbers. So this adjective of number will tell us about number of noun and pronoun along with their position and place. Position and place इथे का मेन्शन केलेला आहे? When you will say that Meena is sitting on a last bench. So last is a place, sorry, last is a position, right? And she always stood first in the class. So first is a place, and that is the number, order of number, right? So your number of your adjective of number is telling you the number of noun and pronoun along with their position and their place. Understood? Yes, it has been understood till here. It shows, yes, okay, it shows the exact number of nouns or pronouns with their position or place. It is used with the countable nouns. See, For example, there are 10 students in the classroom. I stood first in the class. Saturday is the last day of the week. Okay, so there are 10 students in the classroom. Here 10 will be the adjective of noun. I stood first in the class. In this sentence, which will be the adjective of noun? लिहा चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये. What will be the objective of noun in this case? Yes, first. Yes. And Saturday is the last day of the week. Last. Yes. Okay. Someone's mic is on. Vineet, yours. Vineet, please check with your mic. Okay. Next. So list of this numeral adjective. Okay. One thing I forgot to tell you, that this adjective of number is also called as numeral adjective. Okay. So they are categorized into three types. त्यांचे three types आहेत. See. Definite numeral adjective, indefinite numeral adjective, and distributive numeral adjective. Let's see. First is definite numeral adjective. It will include 1, 6, 5th, double, 2, 55, second, triple, 7, 11, 75th, quadruple, then 5th, first, then 1/3, 5 7th, 20, 3rd, 9th, first, या सगळ्या नंबर वरून तुम्हाला, या सगळ्या शब्दांवरून हे जे तुमच्या वाक्यांमध्ये तुम्ही ऍडजेक्टिव्ह म्हणून यूज करता, या शब्दांवरून तुम्हाला एखादा डेफायनाइट नंबर कळत आहे, राईट. सो दे आर कॉल्ड एज द डेफायनाइट न्यूमरल ऍडजेक्टिव्स. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज indefinite numeral adjective. Some, few, like the name itself is suggesting, नावावरूनच आपल्याला कळतंय की they are indefinite, fixed नाही आहेत, they are not fixed, they are not definite, so they are called as indefinite. Some, few, many, all, no, several, any, most, more, too, much, none, too many, certain, etc. See, here you cannot tell ki I eat some chocolates. Can you tell ki मी किती chocolates खाल्ले? No. So it will be a indefinite number. You can't tell how many chocolates I have eaten. I have just told you that I have eaten some chocolates, right? I just told you that I have eaten some chocolates. So you can't tell na ki how many chocolates I have eaten. So it is denoting the indefinite number. Hence, these all words will come under the indefinite numeral adjectives. Okay. Then distributive numeral adjectives are each, every, neither, either. Okay. These are called as distributive numeral adjectives. आपण परत एकदा डिटेल स्टडी करणार आहोत टाइप्सचा. Then you will be writing the sentences and will get to know clearly. Okay. So some example and uses of these adjectives are: the brilliant one of you can be the leader of this group. Okay. So one will be the adjective of numeral, like an adjective or the adjective of number. Two children make a family perfect. Write it in a chat box. What will be the adjective here? Adjective of number 2. Okay. Then few dogs are unhealthy. Few dogs are unhealthy. Few. Yes. My legs have 8 fingers and 2 toes. My legs have 8 fingers and 2 toes. Yes, Aditi, 8 and 2. Yes, Mansi also written right. 8 and 2. Yes, Mahika also. Good. See, 8 and 2. Yes, Rudra also. Parnika also. Yes, Nimesh, Nidhi. Two these adjectives have been used here, na? So you have to mention both of them. Okay. Next. Some women are upset. Yes, some. Very good. Okay. Most of the boys are selected for cricket. Most. Okay. Four books of management studies are very tough. Four. Yes. I wrote many letters to you. Do not write that 4 in number. Write how it is given in the sentence. Yes, many. I have learned 3 languages. Yes, 3. Okay. I wrote some letters to you, but you did not reply. Some. Okay. See, they will be giving you a long sentence to get you confused, but don't get confused. Okay, they will make you confused by putting some long sentence so that you can read the sentence and forgot what you have to find out. Yes, but don't get confused. There are only 9 classrooms in our school. 9. Yes. Okay, so now you have understood what is the adjective of number, right? So one by one, let's learn the types clearly, and you may write some sentences based on that. Okay, these info the next slides are giving some extra information on the types of adjectives of number. Okay, let's see. Definite numeral adjectives are used to denote exact number or position of the subject in the sentence. आपलं जे नाम आहे, जे सब्जेक्ट आहे, त्याची वाक्यामध्ये एक्झॅक्ट पोझिशन काय आहे किंवा एक्झॅक्ट नंबर कोणता वापरला आहे त्याच्यासाठी विशेषण म्हणून हे जो शब्द आपल्याला सांगतो त्या शब्दाला आपण डिफायनाइट न्यूमरल ॲडजेक्टिव्ह किंवा डिफायनाइट ॲडजेक्टिव्ह ऑफ नंबर असं म्हणायचं आहे. Both cardinals and ordinals numbers come under such as 1, first, 2, second, fourth, third. जसं मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं मगाशी की या टाईपमध्ये डिफायनाइटमध्ये कार्डिनल आणि ऑर्डिनल दोन्ही प्रकारचे नंबर येतात. वाय? बिकॉज दे आर टेलिंग अस द exact number. Okay, they are denoting the exact number. You can't write some much more over here, okay, because they are not telling us a definite numeral, as these words like first, two, second, 1, 7, 85, one third, double, triple, two, fifth, these words are telling you the exact numeral, right? That's why there comes under the definite numeral adjective. For example, there are 9 persons in a group. He is first to join sports in the class. Okay, understood this type? The definite numeral adjective, sorry. Yes, so write one sentence. You can pick anyone from here or you can use yours. Write one sentence each. I got double marks of 2. Okay, I will eat 1/3 of bread today. Yes. While making the sentence na, please make them meaningful. You are writing English grammar sentences, so please make them meaningful. I have 3 pens, okay. Everyone please try to write, I bring 10 kg sugar from market. I got first number in sports. I buy second hand car. Yes. This is the 5th time he didn't attended the meeting. Yes, good. I use several color pen. No, you cannot write several over here. Yes, कादंबरी. Yes, I got 1/3 chocolate. As I have mentioned की या टाइप मध्ये एक्झॅक्ट नंबर माहिती असतं आपल्याला. I have 3 book. I am in 7th standard. Yes. Okay, so कादंबरी, please try to write another. See, you can use both cardinal, ordinal number, order number. You can use. My mom gives 50 rupees to buy a book. Yes. While writing the what you have written, I eat mango. I use 4 cycles. Okay. While writing the sentence, try to make them more attractive. Yes, this will improve your writing, like comprehension quality. It will improve your comprehension quality. I got 500 rupees in road. On road, not in road. It's on road. ओके. यामुळे तुमचं जे एसे रायटिंग आहे, देन लेटर रायटिंग आहे, इट विल गेट इम्प्रूव. Okay, so let's move to the indefinite numeral objective. Yes, I eat 4 mangoes is the right one, but 4 mangoes should be there, not mango. 1 mango, 4 mangoes. Okay, let's see another. Okay, fine, it's fine, no need of indefinite numeral adjective. Indefinite numeral adjective, what I tell you, let's see. Indefinite numeral adjectives are used to specify numerous subjects, however they do not give any specific count value. See, they are not giving you any specific count value, but they are specifying numerous subjects. They only provide information about the amount of noun, but do not tell the exact amount. ते तुम्हाला तुमच्या नाउनच्या अमाउंट विषयी सांगतील, पण एक्झॅक्ट अमाउंट, एक्झॅक्ट नंबर they can't tell you. Okay, in the sentence such as all, no, many, few, some, any, certain, several, etc. Okay, so these words are telling you the amount. I have many books. I have many books. माझ्याकडे खूप पुस्तकं आहेत. याचा अर्थ काय होतो? अमाउंट कळते मला, खूप, मेनी, but it is not telling 10 or 20 or 30 or 40, right? So these indefinite numeral adjectives are not telling you the exact count value. They are unable to tell you the exact amount. सिंपल लँग्वेज मध्ये ओळखायचं असेल तर जिथे नंबर नाही दिलेला ते तुमचे इनडिफायनाइट असते. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? Yes, when they are mentioning any number or a order or a position, then it will be definite, but not that, it will go to indefinite. Another one is also there. Okay, but that is of another type. Only 4 to 5 words are included in that type. So this one is done, indefinite. Let's take some more information. Let's get understood by the examples. See, there are many patients standing at the door of hospital. हॉस्पिटलच्या दारात खूप पेशंट आहेत. You can tell ना how many patients are there. Can you tell me from this sentence how many patients will be there? No, you cannot. So this many word is denoting Yes, it is denoting the amount but not the exact amount, hence it will be come under the indefinite adjective of number. Okay. Next is she has brought all the mangoes of seller. सेलर कडून तिने सगळेच आंबे विकत घेतले. But it again no number is mentioned over here. Okay, hence it will be the indefinite one. Let's see some extra information and then you can go for your sentence. Please wait. They are also used as adjective of quantity. Yes, here you may get confused. They can be used as adjective of quantity. See, adjective of quantity मध्ये पण आपण हे words use केले आहेत. If you remember, yes, right? Do you all remember this? We have used these words in adjective of quantity also. So let's see. They are also used as adjective of quantity, but the difference is that indefinite numeral adjectives are used followed by the countable noun, whereas the adjective of quantity are used followed by the singular uncountable noun. बघा काय डिफरन्स आहे याच्यात. हे शब्द आपण ॲडजेक्टिव्ह ऑफ क्वांटिटी मध्ये पण यूज केले आहेत, बट व्हॉट इज द डिफरन्स. हे जे इनडिफायनाइट न्यूमरल ॲडजेक्टिव्ह आहेत ते तुम्ही काउंटेबल नाउन सोबत यूज करता. ओके, काउंटेबल नाउन सोबत. सी, शी हॅज बॉट ऑल द मँगोज. यू कॅन काउंट द मँगोज ना. जर तुम्हाला ते आंबे समोर दिले तर तुम्ही मोजू शकाल ना. साखरेचे दाणे मोजू शकाल का सांगा. मीठ मोजू शकाल का. मिठाचे छोटे छोटे दाणे मोजू शकाल का. वी कॅनॉट. Yes, we cannot, but we can count that mangoes, na? So they are the countable nouns. Here, when you are using this word like some, no, many, all, few, any, certain, several, these words when you are using along with a countable noun like mangoes, apples, many countable nouns like utensils and all. Okay, many vegetables name you can take. So there you can mention it as a indefinite numeral. Okay, indefinite adjective of number. But when they comes along with a singular uncountable noun like sugar, water, so that will be the adjective of quantity. Okay, like she has bought some eggs from the shops and he has taken some sugar, water, etc. Okay, next. Okay, write for this one. Adjective of indefinite adjective साठी लिहा. You can use any word from all, no, many, few, some, any, certain, several. But use the countable noun. Countable noun. No sugar, water. Sugar, water, salt, milk use करायचं नाही. Okay, let me read. I have some chocolates. I use some amount of money. Mom gives me some money. I have to buy several books. I have few pencils in my compass box. He applied for the hall ticket several times, but he has not got it yet. I have some pen. In India, there are so many patients of corona. Many people use bicycles. There are few many students in school. Okay. You cannot write few many. Few many एकत्र नसतं. So many you should write. Okay. Or else write, just write there are few students in school. Okay, so all have written. Last type is the distributive numeral adjective. Okay, see, distributive numeral adjective are similar to distributive adjectives and used to indicate nouns as individual in the whole amount, such as neither, another, every, each. Okay, see, let's see about this distributive numeral adjective. These are similar to the distributive adjective and used to indicate nouns as individual in the whole amount. तुमचं जे नाउन आहे ते होल अमाउंट मध्ये इट विल बी dealing as, it will be denoting as the individual, जसं neither, another. Okay, let's take an example, then you will get understand it. In the entrance exam, each of the student get a separate set of question. बघा, अमाउंट आहे, भरपूर स्टुडंट्स आहेत बरोबर, पण त्यापैकी प्रत्येकाला मग प्रत्येकाला, ओके, देन हा सोडून त्याला, अशा प्रकारचे जेव्हा शब्द येतात तेव्हा ते शब्द तुमच्या डिस्ट्रीब्युटिव्ह न्यूमरल ॲडजेक्टिव्ह मध्ये जातात. ओके, सी, इन द एंट्रन्स एक्झाम ईच ऑफ द स्टुडंट गेट अ सेपरेट सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चन्स. एंट्रन्स एक्झाम मध्ये प्रत्येक विद्यार्थ्याने प्रत्येक विद्यार्थ्याला प्रश्नांचा एक सेपरेट संच देण्यात आला. एव्हरी पुअर नीड्स जॉब. प्रत्येक गरीबाला नोकरीची गरज आहे. Each student must take just a second, just wait for a minute. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. No sound, no sound लिहिता येतं वाच. It is a message. See, next, every poor needs job. प्रत्येक गरीबाला, yes, is it breaking? Everyone please make it confirm, is it breaking? Okay, okay, just a second. Okay, is it clear now? Now is it clear? Okay. Okay, our next example is each student must take bath. प्रत्येक विद्यार्थ्याने आंघोळ केली पाहिजे. सो हिअर इच मेनी स्टुडंट्स आर देअर आणि इथे काय सांगितलेलं आहे प्रत्येकी म्हणजे प्रत्येकी एव्हरी जेव्हा सगळ्यांचा उल्लेख सगळ्यांना बोललं जात आहे पण त्यापैकी त्यामधून प्रत्येकाचा एकेकाचा उल्लेख होतोय त्यावेळी जे ॲडजेक्टिव्ह असतं त्याला तुम्ही डिस्ट्रीब्युटिव्ह न्यूमरल ॲडजेक्टिव्ह म्हणायचं आहे. ओके, like each student must take bath, every Indian must perform their duty. Every word of this paragraph is false. Okay, done? Understood this one? Yes. So please write a sentence using any of the word neither, another, every, each. Write a sentence. Every student had passed the exam. Yes. Every child loved to eat ice cream. Yes. Each pen costs 30 rupees. Another player go in the tree. He will be not attending the functions because he is busy with another work. Each of student will get this book. Yes, make it fast everyone. Write it fast. One is neither prime number not composed. Composite, right? Each and every student attend this class compulsory. Every student had pen. You want to write pen, Karnika? All questions are each marks. No, Soham, this will be like all questions are having 2 marks each or 4 marks each. अशा प्रकारे. Okay. 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 So shall we move to the next one? Okay. So here are the differences between adjective of quantity and adjective of number. So I have told you that adjective of quantity and adjective of number may seem like similar. They may seem like both are same, but they are different, right? So what are the differences between them? Let's study. Yes, before that Omkar, every time I'm noticing that I have to give you the entry after almost half an hour. What's the problem? In every grammar classes, you join after half an hour. What's the problem? I don't need sorry तू जे काही मी शिकवत आहे you are losing it everything. The first half an hour is teaching and the next 15 to 20 minutes is always some question and answer type and you are joining at that point. It is not acceptable. Yes, we need stop writing yes in the chat box, please. Let's see. Difference between adjective of quantity and adjective of number. By name, it seems that both are similar. However, both have many differences. Both indicate the amount of noun in the sentence. However, the differences are like बघा नावावरून हे दोन्ही आपल्याला सेम वाटतात सारखे वाटतात adjective of quantity and adjective of number. आणि दोघेही आपल्या वाक्यामध्ये नामाचा अमाउंट सांगण्यासाठीच वापरले जातात. But there are some differences. Let's see. Adjectives of quantity show the approximate quantity of noun, whereas the adjective of number express the exact number of the noun in the sentence. बघा, adjective of quantity काय सांगतं आपल्याला? आपल्या नाउनची approximate quantity सांगतं. पण adjective of number काय सांगतं आपल्याला? आपल्या नाउनचा एक्झॅक्ट नंबर सांगत असतो. ओके. Adjective of number indicate the number of noun, its position and place in certain order in the sentence. Adjective of number आपल्याला आपल्या नाउनचा नंबर सांगतो, त्याची पोझिशन आणि वाक्यामध्ये त्याची काय ऑर्डर आहे, कोणत्या प्लेसवर आहे ते सांगतो. Adjective of number is used with countable noun, whereas adjective of quantity is used as with the uncountable noun. ॲडजेक्टिव्ह ऑफ नंबर आपण काउंटेबल नाउन सोबत यूज करतो वाक्यामध्ये आणि ॲडजेक्टिव्ह ऑफ क्वांटिटी आपण अनकाउंटेबल नाउन सोबत यूज करतो. Adjective of number is classified into three types: definite numeral adjective, indefinite numeral adjective, and distributive numeral adjective that we have studied. Whereas adjective of quantity is identical to the indefinite numeral adjective, however differing in their uses. बघा, आपण पाहिलं की adjective of quantity सारखंच हे indefinite numeral adjective होतं, बरोबर? लाईक सम, इनफ यासारखे शब्द वापरले गेले होते, पण त्याच्यामध्ये पण डिफरन्स आहे. बघा, ॲडजेक्टिव्ह ऑफ क्वांटिटी, आय हॅव इनफ, अनकाउंटेबल नाउन वी कॅन यूज आय हॅव इनफ वॉटर. ओके, आय हॅव इनफ वॉटर. इथे इनफचा उपयोग बघा. आणि नंबरमध्ये बघा, देर आर नॉट इनफ स्टुडंट्स आर प्रेझेंट इन द क्लास. We can count the students, but we cannot count the water. Right? Yes? समजला डिफरन्स क्वांटिटी आणि नंबर मध्ये? I ate here we can see I ate some chocolates. Okay, we cannot tell how many. There are any guava trees in your garden? Okay, I have not eaten any. मी काहीच खाल्लं नाहीये. There are no interesting story in this book. You have no sense what you are talking about. We cannot count the sense, na? Sense is uncountable noun, but we can count the stories. So there are no interesting stories in this book. Some boys are very clever and intelligent. Okay, you can count those clever and intelligent boys. So here are the differences between adjective of quantity and adjective of number. All the things have been understood by you. As you have written the sentence very well, I don't think you have any doubt regarding the types and all. Yes, the differences is being understood. Yes, differences are also being understood. Okay, okay. Some exercises are there. See, numeral adjective exercises given below that will help you in analyzing your knowledge about the numeral adjective. So, I am reading the sentence. Just write what word is used as a numeral adjective over here. No, not according to type. Just write the words. Okay. Each of the students has received their study material. Each of the students have received each. Yes. Okay. Neither question seems tough. Neither. Yes. Every one of us must eat healthy food. Every one of us must eat healthy food. Everyone. Yes. No, everyone should be the word. Soham. Okay. Who was the first woman to win the Bharat Ratna? First. Yes. There is only one solution to this problem. Yes. Is there any cherry left in the basket? Yes, any. I can easily lift your 5 pound hammer. Yes, 5 pounds should be there. Mansi has written right. Not 5. 5 pounds should be there. I have some chocolates for you. Some, yes. He stood second in the district. Yes, second. Today is my last day in the office. Last days. Most of the employees have completed their project work. Most. Yes. Okay. Yes, a very good response from you. Yes. So here we have completed our whole topic. What we have learned, what the definition of adjective of number, then some examples related to that, then a list of some numeral adjective and types. Three types we have learned, their examples and the exercise also. And we have also learned the difference between the adjective of quality, quantity and adjective of number. Okay, any doubts still here? Anyone, any doubt? Okay, okay, if no doubts are there, you can leave the class. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Good night. Thank you.
Bye bye. Welcome. Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
teacher. Good
Bye
night.
bye. Bye. Good night.
Good night.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye bye. Welcome.
Bye.